Are you looking for a budget-friendly, special, personalized and eco-friendly gift? How about giving a lovely plant arrangement like a fairy garden or a miniature green spaces? Perfect for Christmas, New Year, home warming or anniversaries. Get ready for a series packed with green gifting ideas. Here comes the first video of this series, which is the easiest jade plant topiary. And you can prepare it in just 10 minutes with jade plant cuttings. So let's get started. To start with, I'm taking a small boat-shaped pot with good drainage hole. I'll fill it with the potting mix now. And now for making an arch support, I'm taking broomstick and I will wrap it around with some steel wire to make it sturdy. And now it's time to fix it at the corners. Now I have got some elephant bush jade cuttings. Take bigger ones and remove its bottom leaves. Now insert it at one end and secure it with a string over the arch. Now repeat the process from both the sides with the rest of the cuttings, and this is how it should look. Now water it at this stage and gently press the soil with the help of any spoon, and it's time to put few pebbles like this. Now you can add few cute miniatures of your choice and it's done. However, you can add some green sand to it to make it more colorful, but it's totally optional. And here comes the final look, and your cute gift for your loved ones is ready. Hope you enjoyed the video. Many more coming on your way. So stay tuned and don't forget to subscribe my channel for updates. See you.